Entering vendor bills wrong in QuickBooks Online is why many US businesses run out of cash or miss due dates. In the next 6 minutes, I will show you exactly how to enter a vendor bill now and schedule payment for later in QuickBooks Online 2026. Follow these steps and you will never miss a payment again while keeping better cash flow. Step 1. Open vendor bill. From the QuickBooks dashboard, click plus icon on top left. Under Vendors, select Bill. This opens the vendor bill form you see on screen. Bill number 1002 is just an example. QuickBooks will auto-number your bills. Step 2. Choose your vendor. Click Vendor drop-down. Select Office Supplies Co. or add new vendor if missing. Fill bill date. Use 02/22/2024 as shown. Fill due date. Use 30/19/2024. QuickBooks will remind you when payment is due. This keeps you organized and avoids late fees. Step 3. Enter bill details. Under Category Details, add each item. First line, Office Supplies. Printer paper, quantity 25. Rate $10.40. Amount $260. Second line, Office Supplies. Ink cartridges, quantity 2. Rate $150, amount $300. Third line, Office Supplies, Folders. Quantity 12, rate $5. Amount $60. Fourth line, Office Supplies, Pens. Quantity 20, rate $2.50. Amount $50. Total shows $1,250.00. This matches your balance due on top right. Step 4. Add memo for records. In the memo field, type Office Supplies for May. This helps during tax time and audits. Good records save you hours later. Step 5. Schedule payment for later. This is the most important part for cash flow. On the right side, find Schedule Payment toggle. Turn it on. QuickBooks shows pay on date. Set it to 05/19/2024. This means payment will be made automatically on that date. Only if you have QuickBooks Payments set up. If not, QuickBooks will just remind you. The note says payment will be made automatically only on the due date. This gives you control. You enter the bill now to track expenses, but you pay later when cash is available. Step 6. Save the bill. Click Save and Close. Your bill is now recorded. Expenses hit your books today. Cash leaves your account later on the scheduled date. This is how smart US businesses manage cash flow. Why this matters. Entering bills immediately keeps your books accurate. You see real profit and real liabilities. Scheduling payment protects your cash. You do not pay vendors before you collect from customers. You stay organized and never miss a due date. Final warning. Do not pay bills directly without entering them first. If you pay from bank feed without a bill, your reports will be wrong and tax time will be painful. Always enter bill first, then schedule payment. Enter bill now. Schedule payment for later. Stay organized. Never miss a payment. Master this and your US business cash flow will improve starting today.